how to install or hang things onto tile or stone. You don't want to mark on the surface, so cover everything in tape, marking center up and down and center side to side. Marking a line between them. These actually came with a template, but if you don't have a template, a really easy way to kind of make your own is to put tape on the back of whatever you're going to install, and then just poking holes. You can see through the tape, so you can just poke holes where all of your screws are going to go. Rip that off, marking center up and down and center left and right, and then you can kind of see through it, so you can just put it right over the top. Using a 5/16 masonry bit, used a box with the hardware came in just to collect some of the dust. Always go nice and slow. Let the drill bit do the work. I didn't show it very well, but I was just trying to show you can kind of just push into it with your hip. Use your body weight. This is your standard plastic drywall anchor, about 5/16 of an inch. Push it into place and then hammer them with a dead blow hammer or some soft mallet just to get them set. Remove any brackets if there's removable brackets in the hardware. Screw them into those drywall anchors. Make sure you use the screws that come with it. You don't want them to be too big or too small. I'm sure whatever engineers developed them made them the size they are for a reason. If you kind of loosen them up a little bit, you can use a hammer or a dead blow to kind of fidget them into the right spot. Probably best to start from the top so it doesn't flop down like that, but then you try it out, see what it looks like. I think you can see it's just a little bit off. I don't think it's level or even with the tile. More important to be even with the tile. So I just loosened it up, hit it with some shims, just kind of bang it back into place, tighten it back up, make sure they're the same height off of the tile, put everything back in place. And one big thing to say is I definitely, if you have a chance, use a piece of scrap tile before you drill into someone's marble or something like that, because I don't know, that would be a really expensive mistake. I was real nervous and I didn't want to crack their tile because that would have sucked. Anyways, hope you learned something. Thanks for watching. Bye. Gracias. That means thank you. If you want to see a microscope video, click there. If you want to see a how-to, click there. If you want to subscribe, click there. If you want to see you get rickrolled, click there. Okay.